Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the dedicated port authentication method on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to menu, and here you go to preferences, then network, and here let's scroll down until we see dedicated port authentication method. Here we can change it to the mode 2 or mode 1. As you guys can see, we can easily change it, and now the settings are configured. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.